Hi friends, this video shows how to recharge battery of MetaQuest 3 controllers. So these are the MetaQuest 3 controllers. Actually, MetaQuest is not provided any port on this controller to recharge the battery. So let me open this battery cover. We can press this battery release button to open the battery cover. Okay, then let me check this battery. Let me take this battery outside. Then let me check it. This is 1.5 volt AA battery, and this is not a rechargeable battery, hence we cannot recharge it. But we have one option. See, I have purchased this Duracell rechargeable battery for this MetaQuest 3 controllers. You can see this is rechargeable cell 2500 mAh and 2500 mAh. Actually, this is only 1.2 volt. Let me try this battery on this controller, and we can also use this Panasonic battery recharger to recharge this battery. Let me insert this Duracell rechargeable battery. You can see LED light here, that means that is working. Let me press this button. See, we can see the light. So let me check whether we can close this battery cover. Just place this cover, then push. We will hear a tick sound. Done. See, so this battery is working. So this way we can recharge battery of this MetaQuest 3 controllers. We have to purchase a rechargeable battery, then we can recharge that battery using battery recharger. See, we can use one of this recharger. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.